If red is yellow, blue is white, and yellow is red, what color is green? Okay, let's talk about this. If your pinky finger goes right here into your eye and it just sits there for a moment. If red, our hand down your red lips, red. My palm is facing the opposite side, red, is, I hand and an S hand together for is, yellow. So it's a Y hand, and you're just going to rock it side to side like here. Yellow. Blue, in the same place, you're going to use a B hand and rock it side to side for blue. Blue is white. So your hands are a 5, your hand is a 5 hand, and you're going to pull your fingers out, pull your fingers towards each other as you pull your hand out and away from your body, and you do it twice, so it's short and fast. White. And on the opposite side, your hand is open and it closes as it goes to your same side. And yellow is red. What? Palms up, fingers out. What? Color. So you're going to wiggle your fingers on your chin right here for a color. Color is green. Shake your G hand right here where you did yellow and blue for green. Okay, practice it with me. If red is yellow, blue is white, and yellow is red, what color is green? Or, if red is yellow, blue is white, and yellow is red, what color is green?